Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you're okay, hope you're well. As you can see, Brand Nubian is my picture or thumbnail video still or whatever today. And if you know this album, then that's great. That's good. I like you. And even if you don't know this album, I still like you. I don't know. But Slow Down is my favorite song on this album. Slow Down. But let's get to some news. Inovio came out with some good news today. Inovio, let me just read you the whole article. A biotech company focused on developing and commercializing DNA medicines to help treat and protect people from HPV-associated diseases, cancer, and infectious diseases, today announced positive preliminary results from the second cohort of its Phase 1/2 clinical trial evaluating INO-3107 for the treatment of HPV-6 and HPV-11 associated recurrent respiratory RRP. RRP in adults. In the second cohort of 11 patients who were administered INO-3107 via the exploratory side port needle, 10 of the 11 patients, 91%, saw a reduction in surgical interventions in the year following initial treatment, with measurement beginning at day 0, the start of the trial therapy. Of these 10 patients, 4 did not require surgery. There was a statistically significant median decrease of 3 surgical interventions when comparing the year following treatment to the year prior. In the year prior to the treatment, the number of surgical interventions for these 11 patients ranged between 2 and 8, and the median was 5. INO-3107 was well tolerated and immunogenic among patients in the second cohort. The safety and efficacy results for the second cohort were consistent with results announced for the first quarter in October of 2022. These results from the second cohort confirm previous data that show INO-3107 is well tolerated, immunogenic, and has potential to improve patients' lives by reducing the need for painful surgery, said Jeffrey Skolnick, Inovio's Senior Vice President of Clinical Development. That's beautiful. I mean, surgery is awful. I mean, that's like my number one fear, is like having to get surgery. So I'm always people that have to get surgery, they're always in my prayers, because I don't even know if I could handle that. That's crazy. So I guess, all right, let me continue. We will continue to engage with regulators regarding our development plans for INO-3107 and look forward to publishing and presenting our findings from the complete data set soon, finished Jeffrey Skolnick. Many patients with RRP need years of repeated surgeries with no end in sight, said Dr. Ted Mao, principal investigator and laryngologist at University of Texas Southwestern Medical Center. A treatment that results in fewer surgeries or even no surgery would be transformational for patients and their families. Yes, indeed. That's what I was just saying. I mean, that's not a novel thing, like I said. I mean, that's pretty obvious. But me in particular, I just think, I don't know. Surgeries are insane to me. I guess that's why that's one thing I'm blessed for. That's why I'm very blessed for. I never had to have surgery on anything. So I'm thankful for that every day. But yeah, so if you never had surgery either, you should thank God. thank him. You know, you're very lucky. But let me continue. We are pleased with the results from the second cohort, which are consistent with the positive data from the first cohort, said Inovio's President and Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Jacqueline Shea. We are focused on advancing our most promising candidates and achieving our broader strategic vision of delivering on the potential of DNA medicines for patients. So that's beautiful news. So that's why I was saying, even like in one of my videos I did on Inovio, when they scrapped their booster for COVID and another vaccine, like if they don't see potential in it, or it's not viable for anything, maybe there's not a market for it, then just scrap it. And maybe that's why the Inovio didn't even tank when they scrapped those 3 vaccines, because I was surprised at that, actually. But maybe the market sees it like how I do. They're going to save money, and they're going to focus on things that they can deliver to market, and that is in need for patients. So let me stop talking. So that's great news for Inovio. I should visit Inovio someday. I seriously live right near their headquarters in Plymouth Meeting. I would like to see that building. I mean, my goodness, I talk about Inovio for like 4 years. I've been talking about this company like every day. Might as well see what the company looks like. I should do that. All right. But all right, have a blessed and beautiful night, everybody. All right. Bye-bye.